You've seen these videos. Tiny house built brick by brick. This one, 334 million views, one video. And the channel behind it, 3.74 million subscribers from 129 uploads, 217 million views, 164 million, like it's nothing. And it's not one guy. A second channel does the exact same thing. Millions of views on almost every upload. Same format, 1.4 million on Instagram, 1.3 million on TikTok. 4 accounts, one dead simple idea, the same impossible numbers. That's not luck, that's a pattern. Now, here's what breaks it wide open. No camera, no clay, not one real brick. The video playing right now, I made in 6 minutes. One tool, no experience, just a laptop. And I'm giving you the whole process today. But stay, because 3 things decide everything, and they come as we build. The setup almost everyone gets wrong on day 1. The prompt that makes your house look real instead of fake. And the one step, near the end, that separates a video hitting millions from one dying at 300 views. Skip it and you'll never know why. And you would skip it. Even at a low estimated RPM, that top video's worth around $100,000. Estimate, but you see it. Watch this straight through, skip nothing, and today you make your first one. Let's go. Okay, step 1. And this is the part that makes the whole thing so stupidly simple. You are not going to sit there writing 10 different prompts. You need exactly one prompt that runs the entire video for you. I spent a long time building this thing, testing it, breaking it, fixing it, so that you don't have to. And stick around, because at the very end of this video, I'll show you exactly where to grab that prompt for yourself. Don't jump ahead for it now. It won't even make sense until you've seen the next few steps. Here's what you actually do. You copy that one prompt, then you open Claude AI, paste it straight in, hit generate, that's it. And watch what Claude does. Instead of one weak little idea, it hands you 5 ready-to-go video topics, each one already shaped as a title, not random junk, actual titles built to get clicked. Now you pick. Whichever one grabs you, maybe the 2-story house, maybe the beach villa, you copy that title and paste it right back in. Hit generate one more time, and here's where it gets good. Claude doesn't just hand you an idea now, it gives you the full set of image prompts for the entire video. Every scene, every shot is already written out for you. So in about 2 clicks, you've gone from a blank screen to a complete plan, a title people actually want to click, and every image prompt you need to build the whole thing. That's your foundation. So here's what you do. That first image prompt Claude gave you, copy it. Now open Higgsfield AI, the link's in the description below, go grab it. And here's why we're using Higgsfield and not some random image site. It just got 2 brand new models baked in, Nano Banana 2 Lite and Gemini Omni Flash. These are the ones doing the heavy lifting. This is what makes your house look real instead of that fake, plasticky AI look that gets scrolled past in half a second. This is the exact difference I promised you at the start. Now follow this carefully, because this is one of those spots people get wrong on day 1. Click on Image, then click Create Image. Paste your prompt in. For the model, pick Nano Banana 2 Lite. And then, pay attention here, the aspect ratio decides everything about where this video can go. If you're making a long video for YouTube, set it to 16:9. If you're making a short, a reel, or TikTok, you flip it, 9:16, vertical. That's it. Pick based on where you're posting. Get this wrong and your video shows up with black bars and looks amateur, so lock it in now. Then one more little setting, change the number of images to 2 versions, so you get options and pick the better one instead of being stuck with whatever comes out. Now hit generate and give it a second, there they are. 2 clean images, both ready, both actually looking the part. That fast. No camera, no clay, you just built the first real frame of your tiny house. So, your image is ready, you can see it right there. First thing, download it. That download matters, because that image becomes the very first frame of your video. Once it's saved, look up to the top corner. There's a video option. Click it, that drops you straight into the video generation interface. Now, in here, select your model. This time it's Gemini Omni. Then hit upload, and upload that single image you just downloaded. Set it as your start frame. That's the seed the whole clip grows from. Next, jump back to Claude AI for a second. Remember, it already wrote everything for you. Grab the motion prompt this time. That's the one that tells the AI how things should move, how the hand places the brick, how the camera drifts. Copy it, come back to Higgsfield, and paste it into the video prompt box. Then 2 quick settings and you're done. Set your duration, how many seconds this clip runs. And match the aspect ratio to the exact one you used for the image, 16:9 or 9:16. Don't mix them, or your clip won't line up with the rest. Now hit generate. Give it a few seconds, and there it is. That still image is now a real moving video clip. No camera, no filming. You just made your first shot. But one clip is not a video. A viral tiny house video is a bunch of these stitched together into one smooth, satisfying build. So the real question is how you go from one short clip to a full-length video that actually holds people for minutes. And that's exactly what I'm about to show you next. Now here's the trick that ties this whole thing together. The one that takes you from a 3-second clip to a full, minutes-long video that actually holds people. And it's so simple you'll wonder why nobody told you. Watch. Open the clip you just made and let it play all the way to the very last frame. The exact moment it ends, pause it right there and take a screenshot of that final frame. Save it to your device. That screenshot is the secret, because that last frame is going to become the first frame of your next clip. And that's what makes the whole video flow like one continuous, unbroken build instead of a bunch of random pieces stitched together. So go back to the main interface, hit Upload Start Frame, delete the old image, and drop in that new screenshot, the last frame you just saved. Then jump to Claude one more time, grab the next motion prompt in the list, copy it, come back and paste it in. Leave the settings exactly as they were. Hit Generate, and there it is, Clip 2, and it picks up perfectly where Clip 1 ended. Seamless. Now you just repeat. The last frame of Clip 2 becomes the start frame of Clip 3. Grab the next motion prompt, Generate. The last frame of 3 starts Clip 4, again and again. Every motion prompt Claude wrote for you becomes one more clip in the chain, and each one flows straight out of the one before it. Do you see what just happened? That's the whole engine. Screenshot the last frame, feed it in, next prompt, generate, over and over, and your video grows as long as you want it. 30 seconds, a minute, 8 minutes, you're in full control now. Alright, final step, you've got all your clips. Now we turn that pile of pieces into one finished, satisfying video people can't scroll past. And the good news? This part's the easy one. First, download every clip you made. Just click download on each one by one, until they're all saved on your device. Then you'll need an editor, and we're keeping this free too. I'll drop the link to CapCut in the description below. Grab it and open it up. Inside, click Import and pull in all your clips. Now drag them onto the timeline. In order, Clip 1, Clip 2, Clip 3, all the way down. And because you built them last frame to first frame, watch what happens. They snap together into one smooth, continuous build. No jarring cuts, it just flows. Now this is where you make it yours. Want a clean transition between shots? Add it. Want a little effect? A zoom? A pop? Go for it. This is the polish that separates a video that feels cheap from one that feels satisfying, that oddly hypnotic rhythm that keeps people watching to the very end. Once it looks right, hit export. Your finished video starts saving straight to your device, and that's it. That's the whole thing. And remember what I promised you at the very start, the one prompt that runs this entire process. That's waiting for you right now in the description below, along with every single AI tool I used in this video. Claude, Higgsfield, CapCut, all of it, linked and ready. Everything you need to make your first one is one scroll away. So, let's actually watch the result.